ABIGAIL SALGADO on the channel.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Abby, and today I'm going to be organizing my cabinets in my laundry room. If you guys would like to see how I organize, please keep on watching. So I already had these jars. Let's see if it works. I'm so excited. I've been wanting to try this for a while, and I actually forgot I had these jars. So the other day that I was cleaning out my cabinets, I saw them and I was like, oh my god, I can totally use these. So let's see if it works. ¿Qué estás haciendo, mamá? Hi, mi amor. ¿Qué estás haciendo? Are you comfortable? Valentino. Good job. Valentino. Uh-oh. Ay. Good job. Good job. Oh, good job, mi amor. ¿Estás relajada? You relaxing? Muy bien, mi amor. Te amo. Gracias. Winnie, Tini, véngase, mi amor. Okay, this is my laundry room area of like my organizing my supplies. Okay, so eventually I want to upgrade my laundry room and have cabinets and stuff like that, but for now this is all I have. But I am working with this and it so far has been okay. So this is my little countertop area. I purchased this at Target. I wanted some height because these jars obviously need like a height to pour the softener and the detergent. So this is the detergent and this is my softener. This is a stain remover. It's actually Oxy, like the Oxy powder, but I didn't have Oxy powder, the name, on the sheet, and I will be showing you that in a few minutes. I purchased it on Amazon. It's very, very cool. I loved it. I tried to make these with my computer, but I just didn't really know how. And this was just at Amazon for like 14 bucks or something, so it was really, really worth it. Okay, so up here, this is what I have. I am so excited. It's so beautiful and organized. Okay, so on the very top, I have the disinfecting wipes for my son's and my daughter's room. And then I have like regular disinfectant wipes. I have the disinfectant cleaning essentials for like the bathroom, which is like the Clorox stuff. I love to use these in the toilet and in the bathtub and like sink areas and stuff. I would love to show you, but it's very, very high. I need my little step and I don't have it right now. But it's just wipes up there. And then in this one I have this and that. I have my carpet powder. I have baking soda. This is for my kids' clothes. A stain remover. And then I have a lighter back here just because I love to put candles around my house. And it's way back here so the kids will not grab it. But I also have these for the toilets. So I just have like just extra stuff in this container. So then right here I have my dryer sheets. I have them right here, right in my reach, so I can just pour it into my dryer. And then right here I have my multi-purpose cleaner essentials. I have this is my favorite smell to put on top of the surfaces. It is not a disinfectant, but I love to clean with the disinfectant and then pour or spray this on top of the countertops. And then I have this one for my kids' room. It's an all-purpose spray, but it's like no harsh chemicals for your babies and stuff. I love this one because it has all my cleaning essentials there. Anyways, okay, so that's that. And then down here, I have my scent booster. So back here I have this one. I don't have a jar or container for it yet, but I want to use it. I haven't used them really. I don't know how I feel about these. So I have these back here. Whoa, sorry. And then I have my trash bags right here for the bathrooms, and then just regular trash bags. And I like to keep these up here because I like to empty out all the trash bags and trash containers from upstairs and just bring them all down. And then down here I have all my socks that aren't matched, and we all have that. I don't know why, but that always happens. Every time I wash, there's always a sock missing. So I have them here, so whenever I'm done with washing, I just pull this out and then match everything for it. But for some reason, I still don't find the matches for some of them. But anyways, I have my Swiffers here. I like to use these mops in the bathrooms and in this laundry room. We have tile downstairs, so I don't use those with the tile. And then I have my Clorox down here. Okay, so for those people that are saying, oh my god, you guys have a Clorox container right at your kid's reach. This laundry room does have a child-proof door knob lock, I guess. So my kids cannot get in here at all. Like, they struggle with these so hard. They can't open it. So this room and the pantry and a couple more rooms have that, so the kids won't just grab, and they need actually help to get in, and somebody will be there at all times. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys liked my video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the notifications bell on so you will get notified every time I do post. My videos are mostly of like organizing, cleaning, stuff like that, but I will be vlogging my family's little trips and stuff like that. If you guys would like to keep up with our life and my updates in my house, please keep on watching. Okay.
Hi.
You want to have a YouTube channel tomorrow?
YouTube channel.
You want to show all your toys and everything?
TV toys.
Okay.